Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, we have already done division. Today we are going to start a new chapter, a new concept, that is fraction. Children, as you all know, as we have discussed about division, as we have learned how to distribute the things equally, today we are going to start fraction. So we are going to distribute the thing equally in a equal share. So children, let's start today's class. So I welcome you all in maths video online classes. Okay, so children, today is 25th August 2021. This is your maths video class. So today we are going to start chapter number 6, fractions. As we have discussed, children, in our previous chapter, how to divide the thing. How can we divide few things in an equal part? Today, children, we are going to learn about fraction, and what do we mean by fraction, that we are going to learn, children. Okay, so first of all, if I'll give you one example that how can we distribute a thing in an equal part. A thing, I'm just talking about a whole thing. Okay, so there is no so many objects, there is a one object and we are going to distribute it in an equal part. Okay, so let's I'll start this class with an example. So children, I'm going to show you a chocolate bar. This is a chocolate bar. This is whole chocolate, or you can say this is whole chocolate. And if I want to distribute with me and my sister or my brother, so how can we distribute it equally? Suppose if me and my sister wants this chocolate and I have only one chocolate, so how can we distribute it? So I will break it . So here children, you can see that each, it means me and my sister distributed it equally. It means I just tear this chocolate into two parts. Okay, so it means that the chocolate, so children, it means, what do we mean by? I have one chocolate bar and I have cut it down in two parts. Okay, so the chocolate is whole and I have distributed in two parts and I got one part of this. Okay, it means one chocolate is distributed into two parts. Okay, so here, but I got how many parts of it? One part. And there are two parts. So I got two parts out of one. It means I got one part of two equal part. Okay. So the fraction, a part, for this example you can understand, and these parts are called fraction, children. Actually, these parts, if we are cutting down the thing in an equal part, okay, so this part of a whole is called fraction. Okay, so fraction, a part of a whole. Okay children, Now I will give you one more example so you can easily understand what we are learning. So children, I will take one apple. Okay children. For example, I will take one apple and I am going to cut it down into two equal parts because I have to give my mother also. So I'll cut into two equal parts, and this is how we can get two equal parts. Okay. So here children, you can see one apple was there and I have cut down into two equal parts. Okay, it means, and I have given one part of it to my mother and I have taken one. So children, here you can see one part I have taken and one part I have given to my mom. So it means I have cut it down into two parts. Okay, ये क्या है, दो पार्ट है ना, एप्पल के दो पार्ट हैं, एक मैंने अपनी मम्मी को दे दिया और एक मैंने अपने पास रख लिया. तो हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स आई गॉट? I got one part. So how can we write in the mathematical way? We can write 1/2. It means two parts were there, but my part I got, that is 1. So 1/2. That is how we can write. So that is why these parts are called fraction children. A part of a whole, that is called fraction children. Okay. So how many halves you can see over here? There are two halves, but I got one halves. Okay. So apple, cut it down and I got and one to my mother. I have given to my mother and this is mine. This you can say this is mine part. Okay. So here you can see one part I got and one part I have given to my mother. So that is called 1/2. Now children, so here children, we will learn that fraction is none other than, but these are all a part of a whole children. Okay. Now here children you can see each part is called 1/2. Each part is called 1/2. Okay, each part of it is called 1/2. It means 1/2. This is 1.5. It means half में से we got 1.5. Okay, so 1/2 is written like this. 1/2 in mathematical order we will written like this. We will write like this. Okay, so how many halves are there in a whole? So how many halves are there in a whole? Tell me, how many parts? In a whole, how many parts I have distributed? First I have distributed chocolate. The whole part of the chocolate I have distributed in two parts. Okay. And likewise, similarly, I have distributed apple also. So how many halves are there in a whole? There are two halves. Two halves. Two halves are there in a whole. So I cut down this apple, distributed into two parts. So there are two parts. There are two halves in a whole. Okay. So that is how many parts I have distributed. That is called fraction. That you can say the parts of a whole is called fraction children. Now I will write the definition of fraction on the board children. Okay. I think this is clear. A fraction is a number that stands for parts of a whole object or a collection of object. Okay children, now here you can see a fraction is a number that stands for a part of a whole. How many parts I have divided an apple? Into 2 parts, so that is called, the parts of a whole is called fraction. I have distributed 1 chocolate bar into 2 parts, so this is the part of a whole is called fraction. Okay children, so a fraction is a number that stands for part of a whole object. पूरे ऑब्जेक्ट का जितना पार्ट हो रहा है वो फ्रैक्शन कहलाता है. ठीक है, इतना आप क्लियर अपने दिमाग में बैठा लीजिए कि जो होल होता है उसको हम कितने भी पार्ट में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं, और वो जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होगा पार्ट्स में, दे आर ऑल पार्ट ऑफ ए होल आर कॉल्ड फ्रैक्शन. ओके, वो जो उसके पार्ट होते हैं वही उस फ्रैक्शन कहलाते हैं. अब सपोज इफ़ यू विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट one pizza is a very common example. So if you are having a pizza and if you want to distribute this pizza into 2 parts because your brother wants this pizza, so that is why you have distributed this whole pizza into 2 parts. Okay, and your brother got one half and you got okay, it means your brother got half and you also got half. So here children, you can see the whole pizza, it means this is the pizza which is whole, and you have cut it down because you have to distribute this pizza because you only have 1 pizza. So that is why you have to distribute this pizza into 2 equal parts. Okay, so that is why you have cut it down equally and you have distributed 1 part to your brother and the next part you have taken. So how many parts you have taken? You have taken 1 part of the 2 parts. It means आपने 2 पार्ट्स का 1 पार्ट्स खुद लिया और 1 पार्ट्स आपने किसको दे दिया? अपने भाई को. तो दैट इज़ वाई वी विल कॉल वन हाफ. ओके, 1 हाफ. इट मीन्स आपने जो 1 का जो हाफ पार्ट था वो आपने ले लिया और इसीलिए इसको ऐसे लिखते हैं 1/2. ओके, सो दैट इज़ हाउ वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ फ्रैक्शन and how can we know this. These are the parts are called fraction. Okay, so now first of all we should understand that first part of this number which is written upper side, what do we call this, and the next number उसको क्या कहते हैं. तो चलिए अभी देखते हैं हम लोग पहले नंबर को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं और दूसरे नंबर को क्या कहते हैं. सपोज ज़्यादातर हमारा एग्ज़ाम्पल कैसा रहा है 1.5 पार्ट्स का, तो हम लोग सबसे पहले ये देखेंगे कि इसको कहते क्या हैं. ठीक है, चलिए जो आपको मिला हुआ पार्ट है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड न्यूमरेटर. ओके, न्यूमरेटर. एंड दिस पार्ट कितने पार्ट में आपका एप्पल डिवाइड था? 2 पार्ट में था. आपका चॉकलेट बार कितने पार्ट में डिवाइड था? 2 पार्ट में था। तो आपको यानी 2 पार्ट का 1 पार्ट मिला है, ठीक है। तो दैट इज कॉल्ड न्यूमरेटर एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड डिनोमिनेटर। Denominator. Okay, so this is called numerator and this is called denominator. Okay, so remember this. This is called numerator and this is called denominator. So these are the terms of fraction. ये fraction के numbers हैं. It means whatever the part you have done. Okay, this is, you can say, this is your part and how many part you get. कितना तुम्हें आपको पार्ट मिल गया, that is this. So that is called numerator. Now to understand this better, I will give you one more example. Suppose this circle, okay, now if you will draw over here, so it's quite easy for you. This circle, suppose this circle is there and I will distribute it in the equal part and I will shade this first part. Okay, one part is shaded and second, or there are 2 equals. Okay, so here you can see this is circle and it is divided into 2 parts equally. So there are 2 equals. Okay, so one part is shaded, one part shaded and the second part not shaded. So this is 2 equal part. Okay, so how we will write? 1/2. This is numerator and this is denominator, because this is a 2 part and one part is shaded. So that is why we will write 1/2. So this is how we can do this, children. Okay, so there are few exercises which we are going to solve, children. So as soon we solve the problems or as soon we solve the exercises, we can able to understand. Okay, children. So exercise 6.1 we will do at page number 101 in your Perfect Composite Mathematics book. So we will do exercise 6.1, children. It is simple exercise, but with the help of this exercise we can able to understand fraction very easily. Okay, these are the exercises which are telling us that what are fractions. So exercise number 6.1 we are going to solve, children. Okay, so let's see. Color half. It means we have 2 of each shape. So we have to color half. चाहे वो कोई भी शेप हो, हमें उसको हाफ ही कलर करना है. तो चलिए देखते हैं कौन कौन से शेप हैं. ए नंबर पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो देयर इज अ ट्रायंगल. ओके, एंड बी नंबर पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो देयर इज अ सर्कल. And at C number, if you will see, there is a rectangular shape. And if it is written in the question color half, it means we have to divide this whole shape into 2 equal part. हमें इसको 2 equal part में इसको part कर देना है, यानी इसका fraction कर देना है. ठीक है. So first we will do into 2 equal part. चाहे आप इसको ऐसे करें, चाहे आप इसको किसी भी तरह आप इसको पार्ट कर सकते हैं, पर कंडीशन इज दैट यू हैव टू डू दिस इन अ इक्वल पार्ट. ओके, किसी भी तरह आप इसको कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इक्वल पार्ट होना इसकी कंडीशन है. ठीक है. सो दैट इक्वल पार्ट आर कॉल्ड फ्रैक्शन. सो हियर आपने देखा होगा कि ये सारे ही शेप्स को 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में हमने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया, यानी कलर हाफ ऑफ ईच शेप. यानी आपको हाफ शेप यानी हाफ जो आपका पार्ट है उसको आपको कलर करना है। तो चलिए इसको कलर करते हैं। जस्ट कलर इट। हाफ यहाँ पे आपने कलर कर दिया, इसका भी ऊपर वाला कर देते हैं। ओके, कलर इट। ऊपर नीचे कहीं पे भी आप कलर कर सकते हैं, कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है। ओके ओके, सो लेट्स सी दैट आई हैव शेडेड हाफ पार्ट। इट मीन्स ये पूरे होल का आधा पार्ट हो गया और आधे पार्ट का आधा I have shaded. It means color half of each shade. It means I have color half of each shade. Okay. So here children, अभी आपने सीख लिया कि it means two parts are there. सारे shapes के आप देखेंगे two parts हैं, ठीक है। two parts में से एक part मैंने कलर कर दिया। सबका देखिए, ये सारे shapes तो हैं, they are all divided into two parts, two equal parts। और मैंने क्या किया है, the question is color half of each shape, मतलब आधा आधा सबको आपको कलर करना है। तो जब आपने कलर कर लिया तो आपने देखा two halves are there, two halves and one part you have shaded, so that is why 1/2। okay children, it means two halves are there। how many halves are there? कितने हाफ्स हैं? 2 हैं। तो 2 we will write, it means इतने हाफ का आपने एक पार्ट को कलर कर दिया, ठीक है। तो this is how we can understand it। so completed, this is exercise 6.1। so completed, इसको कंप्लीट कर लीजिए। उसके बाद हम लोग नेक्स्ट नंबर पे चलेंगे। ओके नेक्स्ट नंबर पे डी है, दैट इज डी। Now children, here you can see we have to color half। So children, here you can see half half I shaded। So that is how you can understand that there are two parts and I have shaded one। So that is why 1/2। okay, so there are two parts, you can see here two parts are there, two parts are there and two parts are there। okay, तो इसी तरह आप कर दीजिए। एक पार्ट आपने कलर कर दिया, it means 1/2। one is shaded part and out of two parts, one is shaded part out of two parts, one is shaded part out of two parts। okay, so that is how we can do this। okay children, so completed। so children, अभी तक तो हम लोग ने ये देखा कि how can we divide a whole thing into two equal parts। Now the thing we can divide into many parts। okay, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts, 6 parts, how many parts? It means 100 parts you can do। okay, आप 100 पार्ट्स भी कर सकते हैं किसी भी चीज़ के, किसी भी सामान के, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के। तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि 2 ही पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होगा। तो इक्वल पार्ट 100 भी हो सकते हैं किसी के भी। तो कैसे होंगे? चलिए उसको देख लेते हैं कि कैसे हम 3 पार्ट्स में, 4 पार्ट्स में, 5 पार्ट्स में हाउ कैन वी डिवाइड. सो लेट्स सी चिल्ड्रन. A whole can be divided into many equal parts. Into many equal parts. So I have given few examples to tell you that we can divide a part into 2 equal parts, but here you can see an object can divide into many parts, okay, equal many parts. So here children, let's see, if a circle is there and first we will divide into 2 parts, then if we want to divide into 4 parts, so equally how can we divide? So you have to measure that each one will get equal parts. So here a circle I have divided into center line, and then I have cut it over on each and every one. If the 4 people are there, so they will get equal part. So here you can see 4 equal parts are there. Okay, एक circle के 4 equal part हो गए. So that is 4 equal parts. Four equal parts. Okay. If we want to distribute in this triangle in 3 equal parts, so you can see I have distributed in 3 equal parts, so you can write 3 equal parts. Okay, now if I want to distribute this rectangular shape into 6 equal parts. You can see each are equally divided. So it is distributed in 6 equal parts. So you can divide anything in an equal part. How many parts you want to divide? You can divide. But the condition is that you have to divide into equally. Equally distribution होना चाहिए. अगर equally distribution नहीं है तो वो fraction सही नहीं है. So all of you always remember, whatever the thing you are going to distribute, that equal part are called fraction. उसका हर part कहलाता है fraction. It means this is called fraction. Okay, so I have divided this circle into 4 parts, this triangle in the 3 parts, and this rectangle in the 6 part. तो आप equally किसी भी shape को आप equally divide कर सकते हैं. It is not tough for us. So that is how we can understand fraction. So a whole can be divided into many equal parts. So how many parts you will divide it? That is called, children, that is called, that we have already learned about this. So how many parts we have cut it down? Yes, that is called denominator. Okay, and how many parts I get? I shade. So that is called numerator. So children, here you can see. Now we will see that if we will divide this circle into 8 parts. So here children you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if we will cut it down, so I have distributed it into 8 equal parts. Similarly, if we will cut into 5 equal parts, so we can do this in the 5 equal part also. Okay, so how can we do it? Is depend on our measurement. So we will cut it, cut it, cut it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If we will take a little bit bigger, so it will become equal. So here you can see this is 8 equal part and this is 5 equal part. So it is not only divided, we can divide into even number, but we can divide in the odd number also. So 5 equal part में भी हम उसको divide कर सकते हैं. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आप इसी में divide कर सकते हैं, इसमें नहीं कर सकते हैं, इसको equally नहीं divide कर सकते, आप कर सकते हैं. तो यही होता है fraction. जितना आप एक whole का part बनाते जाते हैं, that is called fraction. So a part of a whole is called fraction. Always remember, children. So I hope this is clear. The concept of fraction is clear to you, because today we have done very simple exercises to understand how can we understand this fraction, the concept of fraction. कैसे क्या होता है fraction, किस तरह हम करते हैं. तो सबसे बड़ी चीज़ क्या है fraction में? A part of a whole. You just always remember. ये चीज़ आप हमेशा याद रखिए. किसी भी whole का जो part होते हैं, that is called fraction. Okay. So if I want to distribute this circle, this is whole, and I want to distribute in 8 equal parts, so I have to distribute in the 8 equal part. Equal. So these are all part are called fractions. Okay. ये उसके fraction है. तो ये हमेशा याद रखिए. अगर मुझे एक सर्कल को 5 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है तो मैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकती हूँ, मैं डिवाइड कर सकती हूँ, लेकिन कंडीशन क्या है? इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है. तो वी कैन डिवाइड इट इन इक्वल पार्ट. सो दैट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और दिस डिवीजन इज कॉल्ड फ्रैक्शन, जितने पार्ट में हमने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, अ पार्ट ऑफ ए होल इज कॉल्ड फ्रैक्शन. ओके. सो चिल्ड्रन, आई थिंक this is enough for today, and we will discuss more about fraction in our next video. So children, we will practice it, shade it, whatever the homework is given, so in your book, so you just complete it. The exercises are given in the book, you just complete it. Okay, 6.1 you just complete it in your book and as well as in your copy. So we will meet again. Till then, bye bye and take care.